Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri R.M. Jain Vidyashram online English class. Today I am going to teach you a lesson. Be careful. What are the things you must be careful with at home? Look at these pictures. Fire, sharp things, hard things. You must be careful with these things at home. Do you think that it is important to be careful while going out? Yes, of course. Here you can see a dog is chasing a girl. We have to be careful with animals when we are going out. Not only humans, even animals also have to be careful with other animals. The lesson Be Careful is written by Leonard Watts. Now I am going to introduce the characters in this lesson. This is a big white hen. These are all 7 yellow chicks. This is a big black cat. This is a big brown eagle. These are all the characters in this lesson. Now I am going to read the first line. Listen carefully, children. A big white hen has 7 yellow chicks. This is a big white hen. It has how many chicks? 7 yellow chicks. These are all the 7 yellow chicks. The big white hen is the mother of these 7 yellow chicks. Here, HAS has. The past form of has is had. H-A-D. Had. Be careful of the big black cat, says the hen. The hen told the chicks to be careful with the big black cat. S-A-Y, say. The past form of say is said. S-A-I-D. Said. Say, said. We are not afraid of the cat, say the chicks. The chicks said that they were not afraid of the big black cat. The meaning of be careful is to take care when doing something. Be careful of the big brown eagle, says their mother. The hen told the chicks to be careful with the big brown eagle. We are not afraid of the eagle, say the chicks. The chicks said that they were not afraid of the big brown eagle. The meaning of afraid is feeling fear. But behind the wall is the big black cat. It looks at the chicks. But at the back of the wall, there is a big black cat which is looking at the chicks. Look. The past form of look is looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Look, looked. I-S is. The past form of is was. W-A-S, was. Meow, says the big black cat. The big black cat makes meow sound. The meaning of behind is at the back of. And up in the sky is the big brown eagle. It looks down at the chicks. The big brown eagle is flying up in the sky. and it is looking down at the chicks. The meaning of looks: to try to see. Cow, says the big brown eagle. The big brown eagle makes caw sound. Caw, the meaning of caw is the harsh cry of a crow or a bird. We are not afraid of the cat or the eagle, say the chicks. They dance in the sun. The chicks said that they were not afraid of the big black cat or the eagle, and they were dancing in the sun. Dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. The past form of dance is danced. D-A-N-C-E-D, danced. I hope you all enjoyed this session, children. The remaining part I will teach you in the next class. Thank you.